Claire. Hi. Can you say hi? Claire. Claire, say hi. Say hi. Are you going to do it? Hi. No, too busy with your hands. What are you doing? Do you have a Thomas the Train? Do you have a car? Hi. Can you wave? Say hi. Hi. Uh-oh, don't fall. Get that foot down or do you need help? There you go.